So, hi everyone. Today we have a talk about how to fund your MBA, how the MBA is going to work, all these things. We'll talk about that. So, we have with us team from Sunstone. So, Ashish, I would start with you first. Yeah. So,
So let me just quickly introduce
yes, please.
our panelists for today. So as always, you guys know that this is Rav Singh, Director CET King Education. We have Piyush Nangru, COO and co-founder Sunstone University. Hi Piyush.
Hello, everyone.
It's lovely to have you, Piyush. We have Ashish Munjal, CEO and co-founder Sunstone University. Hi Ashish.
Hi. It's good to be here.
Absolutely glad to have you. We have Sanam Chawla, AVP Alliances, Sunstone University. The
Hi,
topic,
hi.
hi Sanam. The topic for today is how to pay for an MBA with your future salary. And over to you, Rav.
Yeah. Ashish, I'll start with you because if you talk about the MBA scenario in India, most of us have to fund their study on their own. And the easiest way or the best way to fund your study is ask your dad. Okay, पापा एंड दिस इज वन क्वेश्चन आई वांट यू टू आस्क एक बार पापा से पूछो कि पापा मेरे को 20 लाख दे दो आई वांट टू डू माय एमबीए और अगर जॉब ना लगा तो मैं कुछ कर नहीं सकता फिर आप जानो और कॉलेज जाने सो एंड जस्ट लुक एट द एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ योर डैड ठीक है स्पेशली इफ योर डैड लाइक गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय लुक एट द एक्सप्रेशन आई डू दैट टू माय डैड ऑल द टाइम पापा आई वांट टू बाय मर्सिडीज एंड जस्ट लुक एट हिज फेस डैड इज लाइक अरे बेटा क्यों गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय हूं मैं क्यों मेरी ऐसे मार रहा है anyway coming to the point so yes loan is the most important way that we all fund the study because in India and most of the B schools have tied up with a loan with a bank who can give the loan. So getting a loan is not the problem. So see, if you're going to a good college, getting a loan is no issues at all. But if you're going to a chota mota college and you're paying a bomb huge amount of fees, and if you don't get the job, then you are gone. Anyway, then you're not gone. I think your parents are gone because the guarantee is paid by the parents. So you are safe anyway. So dad जाएंगे. So sir, in this scenario, this is how we normally fund our education. So answer to that simple question is, guys, to all the students, very simple. All of you will get the loan. बैंक आपको लोन देने को तैयार बैठा हुआ है. लोन उतारोगे कैसे वो तुम्हारी प्रॉब्लम है. So, sir, this is where now I want to ask you one question. Here, in this environment where everyone is working like this, you come into picture and say कि नहीं, you first study and then pay the loan and then pay your fees. Once you get the
That's
job.
right.
तो सर ये कैसे होगा यार ये तो this is something new I am looking at. All of us as students are looking at something as new. So what is the scenario all about?
Yeah. So, जैसा आपने कहा, that's absolutely right. If you look at traditionally, that's the way education has been. कि आप जब admission ले रहे हैं, at that point in time, you have to take lot of loan, and all of us know that जिस हालत में भारत की higher education है, very few students are actually able to get jobs after they complete their MBA and get into good jobs. एंड द स्टूडेंट जैसा आपने बोला कि जिन्होंने लोन ले लिया है अब जॉब नहीं लगी है तो वो लोन पापा की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बन जाता है एंड ऑन अ लाइटर नोट वी कैन से दैट but essentially it's a very tricky situation. It's a very serious situation that when somebody has taken a loan of 5 to 8 lakh rupees and he doesn't have a job at hand, it's a very serious situation. And if you look at, this is a very clear case of your college or your university not taking accountability of your education, wherein कि जब उन्होंने आपको एडमिशन दिया होगा at that point in time सब लोग बोलते हैं कि मेरा 100% प्लेसमेंट है, x lakh per annum की एवरेज सैलरी and all those things. But eventually by the time you graduate, that's when you get to know the reality. And this is not a problem of one college, this is a problem of thousands of colleges in India. And that's what we wanted to solve. Essentially we wanted to bring accountability in the Indian higher education ecosystem. If as an education provider I am giving you, I am selecting you through my aptitude tests, interviews and everything, and after that if you are going through the program for 2 years and after that you're not able to get into job, मेरी भी उतनी ही रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है एज एजुकेशन प्रोवाइडर जितनी आपकी एज अ स्टूडेंट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. That's why we brought in this concept of pay after placement, wherein essentially when you join the program you pay a registration amount only and उसके बाद 2 साल आप पढ़ाई कीजिए, nobody is going to ask you for any fee. And when you are able to get into a job, at that point in time, after getting into a job, you pay your fee, you get your degree, and then you move out of the program. So essentially, I am taking equal responsibility of a student's education. And this is something which is a path breaking, which is something never heard of in Indian higher education ecosystem. And if you look at, there are certain other examples in US, they are doing the same thing. And we believe that this model of education is a new form of education which will disrupt the way higher education we see it.
Superb, superb. Okay, so I have two question for you. के पहला question, अगर कोई बच्चा भाग गया बिना फीस पे किए, okay, that's one question. Number two, if he's not able to find the job, so I'll ask you two questions in some time. So all the audience who have joined us, so you'll get a e-certificate. I'll share the link in some time. The same video is going to be uploaded and will be available on YouTube. So on YouTube also you can participate in that contest. I will post the link in the description box. The link is open till tomorrow evening. So I'm giving you 24 hours ka time. Anytime you can register and get the certificate. So I will give you the link in 10 minute ke baad. ठीक है, अभी नहीं होएगा. So that you people will stay for the 10 minute ka time. And every 5 minutes we are going to have a contest, and we are going to give a gift voucher of 500 rupees per student per person. Okay. So yes sir. तो what is the number one, how can you guarantee कि उसको जॉब लगेगा? पहली बात
तो हम लोग गारंटी नहीं कर रहे हैं रव, एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई टेल इन एवरी वेबिनार वेयरएवर आई गो एंड अटेंड, दैट आई एम नॉट गारंटीइंग दैट अ स्टूडेंट विल गेट अ जॉब, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली अगर स्टूडेंट ने एडमिशन ले लिया है सनस्टोन में, इट डजंट मीन दैट कि उसकी जॉब लग जाएगी. देयर इज नो मैजिक वॉन्ड टू गेटिंग अ जॉब, राइट? So he also needs to work hard. He also need to attend all the classes, clear all the examination, appear for interviews, work hard, fight in the interviews, and then get selected in a job. And it's as difficult as in any other campus as well. उतना ही आपको पढ़ाई करना पड़ेगा. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको कम पढ़ाई करना पड़ेगा या मैं कोई जादू की झप्पी दे दूंगा आपको या कोई कुंजी मिल जाएगी आपको. वैसा कुछ नहीं है. It's just that I'm taking accountability. I'm saying that आपकी जब जॉब लग जाएगी उसके बाद आपको फीस देनी है. अगर आपकी जॉब नहीं लगेगी तो आपको फीस नहीं देना है. एज सिंपल एज दैट. बट आपकी जॉब लगना, जितना हम एजुकेशन साइड से कंट्रीब्यूट करेंगे उतना ही आपको एफर्ट साइड से भी कंट्रीब्यूट करना है.
Superb. So this is one thing every student need to understand कि भाई responsibility तुम्हारी भी है. This happens everywhere यार. They normally go to any XYZ college and expect कि वहाँ जाके they'll find a job. They will be like college have to give them a job. So this is not a placement agency. This is a B school. In fact, this is true for every college. We are a B school. We are there to teach you, and of course you will be selecting the students who are good only. So of course, आपके पास 2 साल का time है to improve yourself. And most of people will improve unless you go to a very
and you know what, Rav, I think Piyush can really put a really good light, because he really works very closely with the placement team of Sunstone University. How is the other side, Piyush? I mean, student side ke us taraf, how is the corporate side?
Yeah, so one of the things which we lay a lot of emphasis on is कि जो कॉर्पोरेट्स जॉब देने वाले हैं हम करिकुलम उन्हीं से बनवाते हैं. सो फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ आई एम गोइंग टू गेट अ डिजिटल मार्केटिंग स्पेशलाइजेशन इन प्लेस, आई विल प्रोबब्ली गो टू अ हवस मीडिया एंड टॉक टू देयर अकाउंट डायरेक्टर कि यार कंपनीज क्या देख रही हैं डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में, एंड देन ही विल टेल मी यार कि टिकटॉक आया है उसको ले आओ, टिकटॉक चला गया, अब इंस्टाग्राम रील्स आजकल ऑल दी brands are spending on Instagram reels. So all of that is updated so in so real time that our curriculum is so relevant that the student who graduates out of Sunstone, of course it's a shared responsibility, but because he's trained on these industry ready skills, corporates usko bahut value karte hain.
Superb. And we have the first quiz question going to ask the students. So guys, I've just posted the first quiz. What is the minimum percentage required in graduation to qualify for admission in Sunstone University? So we got the first answer we are getting in, and those who are going to watch this video on YouTube, you can still comment, put in the comment box. So we will put a lucky draw, 2 prizes, 2 500 rupees voucher will be given tomorrow for those who are going to comment on YouTube. I've got 78 comments, Bapre. Vipul is the first person to answer. Vipul Malpure. I'm sorry, I can't. Malpure. Yep. So Vipul, you have to send me your address. You just send me WhatsApp me your address, your phone number. Just put your phone number. My team will contact you, and we will contact you for this thing. Or better way, we will take your name, address, and email ID from the e-quiz, the form. Yes, we can do that. Harmeet, right? Yes, we have that database for all the students who participate.
Yes, absolutely we do.
Malpure, अपना नाम वहाँ पे विपुल मालपुरे डालना so that they can find it. So yes, the answer is 50%. So that is the first question का answer we have. and which is 50%. Okay, superb, superb.
You know, Rav, so there's a story I would like to share with you. I mean, you know, there's so jab tha pandemic scenario, there was a point where our students, all of them had got paid internships. I think Sanam, you can tell the story better. You know, what happened that time.
All right, thank you, Armi. Thanks for bringing that up. I would love to share that story. So, pandemic for everybody, I think, was a very tough time. Ekdam se suddenly, everybody was hit, and there was a work from home thing. All our students had, they were looking forward in the next 15 days. They had to go for their physical internships with companies like Coca-Cola and Fitbit and so many more. Such great brand names. And I think when somebody is doing an MBA, ना तो ये dream होता है कि कंपनी में जाके समर इंटर्नशिप, दैट्स द फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस कि कैसे क्यूबिकल्स दिखते होंगे, वो सारा जाना. But unfortunately, COVID struck at a very wrong time, and they couldn't go. But within 15 days, what we did was we started working towards work from home internships. We got, and I would really like to commend the whole placement team that was behind this at Sunstone. We have a huge team. And that team got internships for all 300 students within the next 15 days.
And they were all paid internships.
They were all
let me
paid
just tell you.
internships.
Yeah.
And let me tell you, it was not just one per student, it was more than one per student. Because of work from home, travel का time बच गया, तो why can the student not do 2 internships? तो कई बच्चे थे जिन्होंने dual internships कर ली. And it was all in a matter of 15 days. मतलब वो March 15 से जब लॉकडाउन का पता चला and we realized कि शायद offers revoke हो सकते हैं, till 1st April when they had to start, we did not miss a single deadline. We have a huge team, and it was such a wonderful feeling na, seeing that they got the corporate exposure that they had to. So
this is something even I want to you are the best one to answer that. I'm seeing this even if you go to IIMs, you go to every B school during this COVID phase, the summer placement is going up, jabki ideally if you look at the common sense point of view, everything should go down. So what is the reason for that, which is a surprise? Stock market also up, everything is up only, jabki मेरे को लगा था down जाएगा ये. So what is the main reason, or what do you think are the main factor which is pulling up the things?
The main factor is, the way we targeted it was, we sat down and we decided a strategy. There are some industries that are going better with COVID, right? COVID positive sectors, dekh liye. Healthcare, pharma, insurance, all these sectors boomed. Or we started finding internships and placements there. Fields like data analytics suddenly went up because, all the analytics there were old, and data analytics, digital marketing. People who are digital marketing enthusiasts should know this was a blessing in disguise for them. Jobs shot up like anything in those sectors. So it was only a matter of shifting. It was a paradigm shift from one type of jobs to another. It was not that jobs chale gayi. Thodi si gayi. There was a shift. But anybody who was as agile or as on the feet as we were found the right jobs to target, could mix it with the students. कि हाँ ये वाली कर लो, digital marketing कर लो, content writers, the analysts, operations, logistics. I think these fields blossomed, and all of our students actually got their dream companies in these particular fields, the COVID positive sectors as we call them.
Right.
And in fact, Rav, also in the curriculum side, जो हमारा curriculum side है, ये तो हमारी placement side है, हम ये कोशिश करते हैं कि हम HR कॉन्क्लेव या ऐसी इवेंट्स करें जहाँ इंडस्ट्री जो है वो कनेक्ट में रहे और हमें पता हो कि इंडस्ट्री व्हाट डज इट नीड सो दैट वी कैन रेगुलरली इम्बाइब इन द करिकुलम. इनफैक्ट हमने टिकटॉक हटा दिया था लास्ट ईयर. जब टिकटॉक बैन हुआ तो हमने टिकटॉक हटा दिया था करिकुलम से, एंड देन नाउ वी हैव इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इंस्टा रील्स. आई मीन आशीष कैन टॉक better about it because he works very closely with the curriculum team.
So,
Yes, Ashish.
sorry, Ashish, 1 second. Students are complaining that they're not able to fill the form. So guys, the form is available in the description box, so you can fill the form. There are some errors in the email field of the form. So no problem, we will check that form out. You have till tomorrow ka time. Tomorrow matlab till 31st of January night tak ka time to fill the form. No problem. So in the meanwhile, Harmeet, if you can just check it out, what is the error coming in the form?
Absolutely, we'll take care of that. My team is absolutely there on surveillance. They'll take care of that. And moving on with the question side, Ashish, I wanted to understand, how does the curriculum work? I mean, we have it everywhere that it is at par with the industry. ये at par with the industry की क्या चीज होती है? If you can.
So again, the thought process created the program, whether you look at pay after placement या फिर आप और भी प्रोग्राम का करिकुलम देखिए, स्पेशलाइजेशन देखिए. So ultimately thought process was not to give pay after placement. Thought process was to create industry ready students or industry oriented student. अब उसमें obviously pay after placement is one thing. Creating specialization which are actually as par or required by the industry is another thing. Working with the corporates to understand, चाहे हम marketing ही पढ़ा रहे हैं, but marketing में भी क्या पढ़ाना चाहिए which is relevant to the industry is another thing. So rather than teaching, let's say, strategy management, or rather than teaching too high funde wali cheezein in education, we would rather focus on a lot of things which are actually relevant for the industry. So let's say I have probably not used, जो मैंने अपनी MBA में बहुत सारी चीजें पढ़ी थी, मैंने आज तक 10 साल हो गए, I have never used those things. But if somebody would have told me at that point in time, ki if you are going to an investment bank, this is the way you should be doing financial modeling, this is the way you should be, let's say, looking at P&L, balance sheet, cash flow statement, this is how each and everything flow with each other. Those are the relevant things for the industry. Whereas what happened is that when I graduated and joined Bank of America, at that point in time, I had to go through that training of 4 weeks, where I actually understood how equity research is done, how financial modeling is created. वो सब चीजें is something that we want to put it in the curriculum itself, and rather than focusing anything on the theory. So whether it's our marketing, whether it's our HR curriculum, everything is actually derived from what a student has to do in the corporate when he joins the company as a fresher or as a fresh graduate. Similarly, if you look at the specialization that we have, rather than just focusing on the like the old age specialization like key operations, marketing, international business, and finance, we have new age specialization which are actually relevant to the industry. Ki bank finance mein you will have banking operations, you will have financial services, you have financial modeling. Marketing mein you will have digital marketing, you might have retail. Similarly, operations you will have logistics, you will have supply chain. Then you will have analytics. So these are the kind of specialization that we have created, understanding that no student
Somebody
will.
has shared the screen sharing,
Yeah,
Rav, if you can
I'm
just.
doing that. I'm doing that.
Yeah, yeah. Yes,
Yeah.
Ashish, you're saying.
So that's the thought process, that whatever we be teaching, and we have a like a internal guidelines that with the curriculum team, that we should be teaching zero theory to the student. If there is anything, if you have to explain a concept, you should be able to explain that concept with a case study or an example. If you're not able to explain that concept with a case study or example, probably that is not needed, because in your job, when you join a job, कोई आपको ये नहीं बोलेगा कि यार ये कॉन्सेप्ट समझा दो मुझे, लोग बोलेंगे भाई काम करके दिखाओ. So this is what is more and more focus what we have at Sunstone. Rather than giving you theory, we actually give you more practical, real case studies, real world knowledge. And rather than again giving you too much Harvard ka case studies, we give you actual Indian businesses ka case studies. So this is the overall thought process or the basic fundamentals of curriculum.
Superb, superb, superb. And we have the next question here on the screen. So guys, you can check out your chat box now. So what is the fees option available offered by Sunstone? You have to select 2 out of 5. The first 2 correct answer will get the answer. Payment, pay after placement, pay at the end of the term, pay before placement, take loan and pay, or money back guarantee. Out of 5, 2 are correct. So whoever give me the first 2 answer correct will get the. I got 149 this thing. 2 correct hai. 2 Onkar, 2 correct hai. They're 2 out of 5. People are saying only 1. 2 of them is correct. 1 and what? Anyone who give me both the answer correct will be Rohit have given answer right. So Rohit Amrutkar is the first person who gave the right answer. So Rohit,
Congratulations.
yeah, you are the winner for this thing, for this next show. 452 comments. So public great. So we have this second winner here. So superb. Sir, now I have the question for Piyush. Piyush, in general, how the education system have moved towards online thing. Now the lectures happening online. A lot of students are complaining. I got this answer from one of my students who's studying in I will not name the college कि सर हम लेट के लेक्चर अटेंड करते हैं. मैं इतना सोया नहीं हूँ लाइफ में कभी जितना मैं अभी सो रहा हूँ. So how the things are going to work? How the things are working in fact now?
तो रव हमारे में तो फंडा ही अलग है ना, हमारे में थ्योरी है ही नहीं, तो सोने का मौका ही नहीं मिलता. What say Piyush?
So actually, although Harmeet put it very lightly, but in effect, that is the true essence behind it. So रफ करते क्या है ना, हम even if it's a online class, right, and we are for like all of us hate doing this, but now ये तो अब कुदरत ने pandemic दे दिया हमें, so we are forced to do this, right? But even if it's an online class, now there is a guideline to every lecture would have at least one activity where there would be group activity, उसमें breakout rooms होते हैं, students they really enjoy. The entire philosophy behind Sunstone's curriculum, whether it is in classroom or online, is that we don't teach you theory. There is absolutely no theory. We teach only and only the practical things. I'll not tell you कि 4 P's क्या होते हैं. मैं आपको product price promotion सीधा case study से start करूंगा and आपको उसके corresponding एक और case study दूंगा कि अब आप solve करके लाओ. And then students discuss. It's a lot of fun in the classes, even in the online mode. Of course, we are all, now with the new batch, the campuses have already started. This was a thing for last year. We had to do online, but now all the campuses have started again, and the students are back in campuses and are having all the fun. And soon we are going to also have our sports day very soon.
Superb, superb. So I have this next question coming up for you. Before that, I'll ask the question to students. So we have this third quiz coming up, guys. So get ready with your pen and paper with your answers. That I'm just going to post in the chat box. Yeah. What is the name of the Sunstone's partner campus in Delhi and NCR? Name them. In Delhi NCR. कॉलेज का नाम बताओ, कॉलेज का नाम बताओ. FMS दिल्ली, FMS नहीं है. Any campus, give me any one name of the campus. NIU NEET. I think someone have just said NIU and NEET. So sir, can you talk about this thing? What is exactly this, how the things work? Naveen Kumar, I think, is the winner here, which I can see. 1 second, let me just get the winner and then we can start. Sir, you can start talking about that. I'll just find the winner here.
So essentially इसमें क्या है ना कि now हम लोग best campuses जो हैं NCR के, right, or for that matter in whichever city we are present in, we partner with the best campuses. So for example, NIET Greater Noida or GD Goenka University Gurgaon, they're like one of the best campuses of NCR, and we partner with them so that you have the best of facilities you can access there, as well as jo teaching methodology hai, if we plug that from Sunstone, which is very practical in nature, so you get the best of both the worlds. Similarly, if you look in Jaipur, you have a JECRC, so you have all the best campuses which we partner with, wherein the education which you get is all practically aligned, but from the facilities point of view, you get the best campuses to choose from.
Superb.
Rav, if you can just kindly make Sunstone University in the chat section co-host. It's our team trying to reach out. If you can please do that.
No problem. I'll just do that. Okay, sir, I have the next question for the case study wave-based approach. I have done my executive from IIM Ahmedabad. There also, we have the case study. A lot of B schools are going with the case study way of approach. So what do you think is the major advantage or disadvantage with this case study based approach of study? Advantages, obviously, there are many. Number one is I can't feel boring in the class will become more interesting. But apart from that, what do you think is the major advantage and major disadvantage? Of course, everything have a good side and bad side.
Right. So इसमें ना सबसे important क्या होता है कि case studies किस type की हैं. A lot of the times, even the case studies can be very boring and very theoretical. So for example, मैंने Merrill Lynch की case study आपको दे दी और उसमें financial strategy of Coca-Cola डाल दिया. This is something की purely based on theory और एकदम से मेरे सर के ऊपर से जाती है. You know what we do? हम आपको बोलेंगे जी पेप्सी को धनबाद में डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सेटअप करना है, तो इट इज समथिंग विच इज रिलेटेड टू व्हाट यू विल बी डूइंग इन द फर्स्ट 4-5 years ऑफ योर जॉब. मैं आपको वो नहीं बता रहा हूँ जो एक आप कंसल्टेंट जब 25 साल बाद वाली चीज वो आपको अभी बता के मैं आपको वहां से ब्लाइंड नहीं कर रहा हूँ. आई एम गिविंग यू द एग्जैक्ट प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज which you are actually going to use, and that is why employers really prefer student from Sunstone, क्योंकि वो जो case study है वो एकदम grounded होती हैं. So that's a big difference at Sunstone.
Yeah, and I would just add to it, generally रब होता क्या है इसमें कि अगर आप जब केस स्टडीज की बात करते हैं तो हम अपने एकेडमिक कंटेंट में जहां से आ रहे होते हैं कि हम बच्चों को बहुत ही हाई फंडू कुछ कुछ कंटेंट पढ़ा रहे हैं, तो हम केस स्टडी में भी वहीं चले जाते हैं कि यार हार्वर्ड की केस स्टडी लेके आएंगे। इवेंचुअली वो उस केस स्टडी का इंडियन बिजनेसेस से कोई लेना देना नहीं है कि यूएस में किसी लेट्स से कंपनी ने कुछ किया, उसका यहाँ probably it will have not much relevance to the student, which Piyush also mentioned. So ensuring that कि एक तो केस स्टडी उतनी है कि जितनी बच्चे को ग्रेजुएट होने के 3 से 4 साल में जिस तरह की वो बिजनेस केसेस अपने डे टू डे वर्क में डील करेगा वैसी केस स्टडीज होनी चाहिए. इट शुड बी रिलेटेबल केस स्टडीज एंड इट शुड बी more related to the businesses that we are seeing आंखों के सामने. So ये दो चीजें हैं कि if you are able to take care of those two things, then we feel that it's a good advantageous thing, क्योंकि आप सिर्फ प्रैक्टिकल चीजों की बातें कर रहे हैं बच्चों के साथ, तो obviously it gives them real exposure कि अच्छा अगर कभी मेरे साथ real work environment में ऐसा हो तो मुझे ये चीजें करनी है, या फिर उसको एक सिमिलर चीज पता है कि अच्छा मैंने केस स्टडी में ये देखा था कि इंडियन बिजनेस में ऐसा कुछ हुआ था तो उन लोगों ने इस तरह का एक्शन लिया था, so I can take similar kind of action. So these are the advantages and disadvantages. Obviously we have to ensure that they are more relatable both in terms of nature of business and कि कब मतलब 10 साल बाद मेरे को जरूरत पड़ेगी केस स्टडी की, ऐसी ना पढ़ाएं जो मुझे 2 से 3 साल में मैं उसको यूज कर पाऊं, ऐसी केस स्टडीज होनी चाहिए.
Superb,
Absolutely. And also, Ashish, if you can add something, I mean, Sunstone is one of the only MBA B schools in the country which uses Canva. I mean, foreign में पढ़ाया जाता है Canva पे. If you can talk about that.
Canvas is actually the LMS which we use because obviously we are obviously a technology first kind of B school. So we do leverage a lot of technological tools. We do conduct a lot of classes through our studio. So let's say there is somebody who we know for digital marketing who is like a star professor. Everybody wants to learn from him. So we'll have that person come in our Gurgaon studio and he can take classes all over the India through the Gurgaon studio, through a Bangalore studio. So let's say if there is a best faculty or best professor of analytics, he can actually, a person sitting in Bhopal or Coimbatore can also learn from that the faculty that we have. And similarly, the LMS that we have is also used by like the top of the universities like Harvard and Stanford. So in whatever we are doing, we are ensuring that we are giving best of the facilities and best of the technology or tools to the student, which ultimately everything leads to the placement. So we have to ensure that we are leaving no stone unturned, whether it's education, whether it's training, whether it's getting job opportunities for students.
Right. And Rav, one very interesting thing you'll also get to know, हमने जिस note पे start की थी webinar की क्या pay after placement ऐसा सच है कि नहीं. In fact, one very interesting thing is we have an alumni association. So even when the student comes out, वो 2 साल अपनी MBA कर लेता है, उसको अच्छी सी job लग जाती है, but in future, if he or she needs something, there is a networking which goes on, right, Piyush? What do you have to say on that?
Yeah, we have a support system, very strong support system, and we continue to handhold our alumni. We have a specific job portal for them, and it's a very closely knit community. We keep meeting often. You know, before COVID, we used to meet once every quarter with the alumni. So all of that, you know, of course, is now going to be restored again. But it's a great family feeling with the alumni.
Absolutely. In fact, we have a lot of entrepreneurs and a lot of students in the, in the entrepreneurial side who are now hiring Sunstone students, right, Sanam?
Absolutely. It's such a pleasure. I mean, this is one of the things I really wanted to tell you, that it's such a pleasure that the alumni have now reached out to us, because, some of them are, of course, in senior positions, and they are hiring people from Sunstone. I think they're the best people to relate to the fact that how they have benefited, probably their juniors will also benefit and rise in the same way. So that's quite a number that our alumni have now started hiring from us.
Superb. All right. So I have the next question now coming up. So name the recruiter which is coming to campus at Sunstone. So there's a company coming on campus, and that company also own Woot and Zappos. Yeah. They own Woot and Zappos. That is your hint. Public कुछ भी डाल रहा है, Viacom, Beju, C-Ticking, कुछ भी डाल दी जनता. नहीं. Okay, those who posted before that, I posed the question. are disqualified from this event. Yeah, I already posted the link of the e-class for the EE certificate. You can take the link and you can go. All right, so I've got the winner here. So 1 second, I can't see the winner. Yeah, Kritika Shukla. I think, yeah, Kritika Shukla is the winner. Yes, Amazon. We are talking about Amazon. And so, sir, that would be my next question as well. What is the average salary and how much Amazon is paying? I think, I don't know if you can tell that how much package they're paying publicly. Otherwise, what is the average salary going on and how much the fee structure of the college?
Right. So we do have a NDA with a lot of companies. So specific company details, we are bound by agreements. But as an aggregate level, we have an average package of 4.5 lakhs, and the highest package which we have is 10 lakhs.
Okay. And fee structure, how much the fees for the college?
So as we started on the note that we have a pay after placement structure where initially we charge a small registration fee, which is 1.25 lakhs. And then for the next 2 years, you don't have to pay anything at all. No hidden charges, no uniform, welfare, nothing, right? No hidden charges. So you only have to pay at the end of the course. Once you get placed, only then you have to pay the fee. And that too is in proportion of the salary. Now, at times, you know, what happens in colleges, somebody is getting placed at 30,000 and somebody is getting placed at 50,000. And both of the students, they end up paying the same fee. But here at Sunstone, that is what we are trying to tell you, that we are putting our skin in the game. It is my incentive is aligned that I will get a better paying job for you because the fee is ultimately based on the salary which you get. We also have a money back guarantee program wherein the student can pay 3.15 lakhs in 3 installments. And then if the student doesn't get a job, all of it, I repeat, all of it is refunded back to the student.
Yeah, and just to add there, just to quickly add up there, what we have also done is that, because see, our main focus here is not to just make money from the student, and let's say अगर किसी बच्चे की 1 लाख रुपए महीने की जॉब लग गई है तो मुझसे 10 लाख रुपए नहीं ले रहे हैं. We have capped the fee at 6 lakh rupees. So that is the overall thought process, that ultimately we should be taking accountability of our student education and also ensuring that we are not going way beyond what probably student is capable of paying. So we have capped the overall fee at 6 lakh rupees.
सर आई वॉज गोइंग टू आस्क दैट क्वेश्चन. जब आपने अमेजन का नाम लिया ना तो मेरे को लगा यार अमेजन अगर 12 लाख दे दिया तो बच्चा तो बेचारा 12 लाख देना पड़ेगा. दैट्स अ गुड थिंग. दैट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग. आई थिंक मोर एंड मोर बी स्कूल शुड कम आउट विद दिस क्लास. बट अगेन आई थिंक दैट्स वेरी वेरी you have to put in efforts as well. As a college, you have to put in efforts as well towards student. And this is, I think, a very good learning for the B schools as well. You are not just here to give the degree. You are here to make sure that placement is there. क्योंकि if you look at from a teacher's point of view ना, उनको एक ही चीज है कि हम तुम्हें डिग्री दे देंगे, हम तुम्हें सिखा देंगे. Fine. But अगर जॉब ही नहीं लगेगा तो यार तो क्या सीन है? So that is the main.
So हमारा फंडा ही वही है ना Rav. We say we take the accountability of your career. I think Ashish can help me.
Yeah. So again, this is again something which is more internal, but obviously this is the philosophy. So दो तरीके से आप एजुकेशन को अप्रोच कर सकते हो कि मैं तो एजुकेशन फर्स्ट एजुकेशन दे रहा हूँ कि मैं आपको पढ़ा रहा हूँ और फिर आप देख लेना बाहर मार्केट में जाके कि आपका क्या हो रहा है. द अदर वे विच इज प्रोबेबली आज की जनरेशन को जो चाहिए, विच इज जॉब फर्स्ट एजुकेशन, कि मैं जॉब को ध्यान में रखकर वहां से अप्रोच कर एंड देन आई एम बिल्डिंग आउट माय एजुकेशन फॉर यू. So this is something that we feel is much more relevant for today's youth, where you are thinking job first and then you are creating education program keeping that in mind. क्योंकि मतलब अगर आप बच्चे का भी देखते हैं, स्टूडेंट का भी सोचते हैं, तो एंड दिस इज ट्रू फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. हम लोग जब खुद एमबीए कर रहे थे हम भी यही सोचते थे कि यार एमबीए कर लेते हैं, एमबीए का स्कोप बहुत है, उसके बाद अच्छी जॉब लग जाएगी. तो हम कोई ये सोच के नहीं आए थे कि मैं एमबीए में पीएचडी करके और फिर मैं बस ज्ञान ले लूंगा. Every one of us wanted a good job after MBA. Every one of us want a good job even after the certification that we are doing. So we as an education provider have to now step into the shoes of student and think job first education.
Exactly. So a lot of people are posting here regarding the form where there's still some error in the form. So guys, don't worry. I'll post the link of the form in the description box of the video as well. And there are two more questions we have, which I'm going to post in the comment section of this YouTube. So once we go on,
Also a little announcement, Raf, from the Sunstone's point of view. Yes, the link is going to be available, guys, for the form. And also the winners can connect at connect@sunstone.edu.in to claim your prizes. So you can write in your details there. Yeah. Rav, over to you.
okay, superb. So great. So I think we had a very good discussion. Most of the points I wanted to cover were covered. So anything you'd like to add? So Ashish, sir, Ashish, if you can tell us about your background, you have a very interesting profile. So if you can just tell us how the story started, how the idea of starting a B school came into picture.
Yeah, absolutely. So I come from a very small town near a city named Meerut, and I have been born and raised with a lot of friends of mine who did their education, and some of them couldn't get into good jobs, some of them barely got into jobs, and I have been associated with education very early. In fact, after graduating from MBA, while I was in Bank of America, I started something in education. Couldn't scale that up at that point in time, so then I joined a startup myself. Then I co-founded a startup. सो इवेंचुअली वो एक कीड़ा कह सकते हैं कि दिमाग में हमेशा से था बिटवीन पीयूष एंड मी कि यार एजुकेशन में कुछ करना है बिकॉज दैट्स समथिंग व्हिच इज क्लोज टू आवर हार्ट एंड वी सी दैट कि वी कैन एक्चुअली क्रिएट अ इम्पैक्ट देयर एंड द रूट्स वही है कि हम लोग वहीं से आते हैं जहां हम लोगों ने देखा है कि इफ पीपल लाइक अस कम इन एजुकेशन बिकॉज वी फील सो पैशनेटली अबाउट एजुकेशन we can actually create a real difference in students' life. So that's something that that's the reason that how we started. And while we were exploring कि क्या करना है, कैसे education में कुछ start करना है, and that is the time where Piyush and I stumbled upon this thing that actually जो students हैं भारत में, क्योंकि it's very difficult to understand कि वो बच्चा जो MBA कर लिया, फीस दे दी, जो बच्चा इंजीनियरिंग कर लिया, फीस दे दी, और उसके बाद 60% स्टूडेंट आर नॉट एबल टू गेट इनटू जॉब्स. मतलब 50% से कम, आधे से कम बच्चों की जॉब लगती है whatsoever, any kind of job. So this is something that we saw as a big problem, and that's how we decided that somebody needs to take the accountability, somebody needs to at least try to bring in some positive change. Maybe आज हम लोग शुरू कर रहे हैं, हो सकता है कि पीछे कुछ और colleges शुरू कर दे similar kind of program. So we know we are the first, but we don't want to be the last. We want a lot of people should follow us. एजुकेशन में कुछ बदलाव आना चाहिए, कुछ रियल ऑन ग्राउंड चेंज आना चाहिए फॉर एवरीबॉडी, फॉर द बेटरमेंट ऑफ द होल हायर एजुकेशन इकोसिस्टम.
Exactly. There should be something. There are a couple of colleges which are claiming that they will provide a job first and then you start your education. But the job they are providing are a very low quality job. So then I don't want to name the colleges here, but that's a different way. This is the way you are doing is kind of taking the complete responsibility of the student. So that is the thing, which is the good part. So great. So anything you like to add here? So guys, if you
I think what Piyush, what about the pandemic scenario and how are we dealing with the companies? You know, हम अभी भी बोल रहे हैं कि हम placements दे रहे हैं, we are giving our best. What is the other side? What are the companies?
See, all the machinery which works behind the scenes is we have a huge corporate relations team, right? Like we've got one of the biggest corporate relations team in and they identify sector by sector, company by company, who is hiring. So for example, in pandemic, we realized, edtech, pharma, data analytics, digital marketing, these are the sectors, they were booming, right? So we pretty much got almost 100% coverage in these sectors. And that is with this targeted approach, we were able to make sure that, we are getting fabulous placements. In fact, right now, as we speak, 150 students have already been placed in companies like Coke, Fitbit, Reliance. So it's a great season. While similar colleges elsewhere, they have been struggling a lot this season, and rightfully so because of the pandemic.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Piyush. Sanam, on the student's point of view, from the student's perspective, we have seen pay after placement. We understood from Ashish, we understood how the corporate relations team is working. What are on the students frontier? We hear that there are a lot of clubs and societies. What's going on that side? I mean, the excitement on the online world.
Absolutely. So I think students initially, the first batch, 2019 batch, I mean, they were really scared, given COVID happened and suddenly online classes happened. It was not very sudden. We've always made them privy to technology. So they were well versed with the technology and all. They were worried, but now I think last month when we started off placements, and placements were a very huge success, if I may say. There were students, because there are at least 3-4 drives that are happening at Sunstone on a daily basis. 3-4 drives. And there were people, I'm not exaggerating, I know there's so many people who got double or triple offers on the same day. I mean, it's difficult to choose. Even with, as Piyush mentioned, we have 150 students placed, but it was not 150 placements, it was more than 200 placement offers that we got.
Right.
And that was a very happy time. Apart from that, the batch which just started, of course, celebrating the success of the 2019 batch, the batch which just started is, overhauling their personality. They've joined clubs. We have some really good, fun clubs. They've made online sessions also a success. And now that classes have started offline as well. So we
And I believe there are around 10 specializations, right?
Yes,
for students.
absolutely.
And there is dual specialization as well.
That's
Yeah.
correct.
And I just want to add one thing here, because we were talking about placements. So actually the placement policy that we have is actually almost at par with what you see in IIMs. Even in the next level of colleges, you won't see that kind of placement policy. At Sunstone, you always have a choice whenever you want to apply a company. Nobody is going to force you. And even when you have gotten a job, typically that will happen in every campus. Once you have gotten a job, you are out of the campus placement process. At Sunstone, even if you have gotten a job, you always have an option of choosing your dream company. Let's say कि अगर मेरा बायजूस में प्लेसमेंट हो गया एंड मुझे तो FMCG जाना था एंड HUL आ रही है 2 महीने बाद, I can still sign up for HUL, and it's not that कि मैंने sign up कर लिया तो मेरा dream company जो option था वो expire हो गया. You will have a dream company offer till the time you are actually shortlisted or for that company. So I can actually sign up for 5-10 companies even although I have gotten a job. This is something which is actually not there in probably after, maybe I don't know, after IIMs I haven't seen any other campus offering this kind of placement policy to the student. And if you look at from our perspective, because we are charging pay after placement, so it's actually counterintuitive कि हमें तो लगना चाहिए था कि भाई बच्चे का placement हो गया अब इसको बाहर निकालो, but still because for us the student and the brand of Sunstone is much more important. That's the reason we give this dream company offer option to the students every time.
Right. Right. So before we kind of wrap up, Piyush, I have this one question to you. Just to tell the audience, we have our campuses in NIU Greater Noida, NIT Greater Noida, PISM Bangalore, Rayat Bahara Mohali, JCRC University Jaipur, RR Institutions Bangalore, Sage University Indore, and GD Goenka University Gurugram. So how do these universities work? Like, do they have the same curriculum, same placement techniques? How is it centralized? If you can please explain.
Yeah, so see, the curriculum which is there in each of these places is exactly the same. Whatever a student is going to study in a Sunstone campus, in a Bangalore campus, or an Indore campus, or a New Noida campus, is going to be the same thing. For example, अगर accounting में जो curriculum में 10 topics हैं, वो सब जगह same 10 topics होंगे, so that we can make sure that whosoever has studied is the same practical curriculum जो हमने industry के साथ मिलके बनाया है. So that is why we make sure that the curriculum is same. In fact, the faculties are also trained with some senior faculties who specialize and are from the industry themselves. So that is why the curriculum is exactly same in all the campuses.
Right, right. Thank you so much, Piyush. And Rav, we would also want you to talk about how you like our model. आपको Sunstone University का model पे after placement model कैसा लगता है? वो भी हमें सुनना है.
Okay, so you want a candidate wise? This is a very good plan. How successful it will be, because there are two things. Now you are banking on the students' key performance as well. So it's a double It's what, because you have to, yeah, college कुछ भी कर ले, and if the student is बेकार तो college क्या उखाड़ लेगा. So even there are people who don't get placed even in main colleges, the main colleges. So that is always true. So it is a both side effort you have to put. And you being a new college, I think that's the best part. You are kind of putting yourself in a position where you have to work hard. It's a vicious cycle you have created, which is a very good thing for the future. It can backfire as well. I'm sure we still don't know how the things will go forward in the future. So if you're doing your job, and I think if the students are, if the quality, incoming student quality is good, I think this is a very good thing to play on.
Right. It's all about following your passion. That's what we teach our students कि जिस direction में जाना चाहते हो उसी direction में जाओ. Market में क्या चल रहा है, don't find that. We help the student to find his or her own skills. Having said that, I would just quickly like to tell our viewers that अगर आपको MBA करनी है, अगर आप MBA aspirant हो, so please go on sunstone.edu.in and go on the apply now page, and you will get a free counseling session. I repeat, you will get a free counseling session. All you need to do is go on sunstone.edu.in and apply now page and fill in your details, right? You can subscribe to our YouTube channel, Sunstone University. We do regular webinars every Saturday from 6 to 7 p.m. And Rav, we would love to have you again sometime. Definitely there.
We'll have that session as well.
Absolutely. There is a eligibility checker in the chat section which will tell the students, अगर किसी student को ये भी doubt है कि यार MBA मेरे लिए है भी कि नहीं, तो they can actually go on the link, fill in their details, and they will get a report if they are eligible for MBA or not. And the winners can connect at sunstone.edu.in. And that was my team from Sunstone University. I'm Harmeet Sehdev, official VJ, and that's Sanam Chawla. She is AVP Alliances, Sunstone University. Thank you, Sanam, for joining us today. You're on
Thank
mute.
you so much. It was a pleasure. Thank you for having me here.
Yes, we have Ashish Manjal, CEO and co-founder, Sunstone University. Thank you so much, Ashish, for today.
Thank you so much. And just one last message before I wrap up. And this is for the students, that while you are researching about which MBA college to choose, you will get, and as with what with Rav started कि शुरू में ही वो 20 लाख रुपए पापा से मांगने पड़ेंगे या 15 लाख रुपए पापा से मांगने पड़ेंगे. So just be more careful in your research. Obviously, I'm not saying join Sunstone or join any other college. Just be more careful in your research. Ask difficult questions from the campuses that you are planning to join. What is the ROI? Average salary इतनी है, मैं अगर 10 लाख रुपए दे रहा हूँ तो मेरी average salary इतनी है, तो मेरा ROI कितना निकल रहा है? So these are the difficult questions that you need to ask, because अगर आज आप सवाल नहीं पूछोगे तो 2 साल बाद probably you may end up in a difficult situation. Although all of us would want that you would not, but just be more careful, be more thorough while you are doing your research and deciding which MBA college you want to choose from. And thank you so much for having me here today.
Thank you so much, Ashish, for always taking out time to talk to all the MBA aspirants. Yes, Piyush, thank you so much. Piyush here with us is a CEO and co-founder, Sunstone University. Thank you so much, Piyush, for taking out time for us.
Pleasure.
And especially at night, like 11 o'clock, so it's 11. Thanks to students.
On a Saturday night, Rav. On a Saturday night.
Exactly, yes. On a Saturday night. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thanks, Rav.
Thank you, everyone. Take care.
Bye.